Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're drawing a desert quail. So these things are really cool, really colorful, and they live all around in Arizona, which we're in right now if you haven't watched the past two videos. And they're like, it's like the season where all the babies are coming and stuff, and it's so cool. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start with the beak and do the usual razor kind of, thing. So that's the beak, that was easy. Now go to the head and draw a line like that and do zigs, just like that. And now go here, do more, like that. Now we're gonna go on to the eyes. So just draw a curve and the same thing on the bottom. I'll draw a circle and color it in. Now I'm drawing a male one right now. Males have this kind of crest on top, which I'll show just in a second while we're drawing. Okay, this is the white part. And also they have this very cool red head. So actually this part is the red part, and this is the crest that the males have. Let's switch on to the Sharpie. Now I'm using two different types of markers, this Sharpie and this pen, Stabilo Pen 68. So we're gonna color that in. Like that. And there. I'm gonna put that back. Now we're gonna just finish it off because they have this gray ring around their eyes. And we're gonna go here and just stop there. Now go back here. We're doing the belly right now, like that. Go all the way here, and for the tail, just draw kind of, and like that. Now we're gonna do the patterns, because they have gray, tan patterns, like this. Believe it or not, common quails actually make themselves poisonous during the right season. And if you're gonna eat it, or if you're a predator out there, then you're gonna have a mouthful of pain, I assure you. But these quails are not, they don't make themselves poisonous. Also, these quails eat really healthy foods, grasses, and so kings actually eat them because they're really tasty, their meat. Okay, that's some white feathering. Now we're gonna go back here. This is the kind of dark brown area, and do more kind of feathers, dark brown here, and come back here, just like that. You can do more feathers. Just all around the quail, like that. Now we're gonna go into the legs. Do a line, 2 feet, and then one, like that. Same thing on the other side. Just like that. And there you have it, a quail. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Comment down below if you've been into Arizona and you've seen one of these quails, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.